I have this Bold and Bright lipstick. I think I'm gonna try this. Okay, family, so I had just took this out of the package, the Bold and Bright lipstick that I had got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to try it and see how it works. Okay. Oh, I like that. This is cute. So I'm in a Dollar Tree, right? And I was recording, but I had got online to pay for these two things, right? Not too long ago. And I said to make my video a little longer, I'm gonna come and I'm gonna record the other stuff, you know, some of the Halloween stuff. I know some of you guys may have seen this stuff already, but then it was a lady who was behind me. First, she was like ahead of me online, and then she was like, oh, you got two things. She was like, you could just go. So as I paid for my stuff, she had came over here and she was like, hey sister, I don't want you to take it personal. I don't know what she was what she was talking about. And she was like, God just told me to give you $20. Oh, all right, let's get some more makeup. Peace, family, peace, 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 honey. Today is such an amazing day, okay? All right, listen. We on our way. I am on my way to Dollar Tree. Now, I told you guys Dollar Tree had this new foundation, okay? This concealer, rather, okay? And I'm looking for an excuse, technically, to go to Dollar Tree. Like, who in the same boat as me? Okay, you look for excuses. You say, I gotta just go get some tissue or some paper towel. And you look for excuses to go there just so you could go shopping. So you could go pick up more stuff. Okay, but today's video is just about the concealer. That's all I'm going to Dollar Tree for. It's just the concealer. I'll see you guys there. Okay, family, so, ooh, so they got some new socks. Polka dots? I guess, honey, correct me in the comments. Okay, this is Beetlejuice. Look at the Beetlejuice socks. Okay, do you guys want to go see that? I want to take my children to go see the Beetlejuice new movie. Okay, and they will have some more Beetlejuice socks over here. Okay, cute. What is this? Oh, yeah, I knew the color. Okay, Freddy. Who remember when you was younger, you would watch Freddy Krueger? Honey, I used to be so terrified of this. Okay, if you go to sleep, you know, you die in your sleep or whatever, Freddy Krueger was coming to get you, honey, I would be terrified of Freddy. Okay, Elm Street. Oh, child. Okay, so, ooh, child. So Dollar Tree also have these new ponytail holders. These are really cute. Okay, really, really cute. Oh, and then they also have this children's mouthwash, alcohol-free and sugar-free. This right here. This look interesting. Okay, very, very interesting. And I'm so happy that Dollar Tree have these little sponge rollers, okay? Like, especially for the girls with, you know, my hair not that short, child, okay? But these are really, really good if your hair is short, okay? My hair is like, you know, it's medium length, okay? All right, okay? And then they also have these new clips right here. Oh, child, honey, Dollar Tree is getting fancy. Okay, getting fancy. Look at these ponytail holders over here. These are cute. Very, very cute. Okay, so I'm impressed with Dollar Tree. So they have this thing, this mousse right here. This is the first time I'm actually seeing the mousse. Now, one thing I will tell you guys, because you know I keep it real with you guys, right? Okay, you know I keep it real with you guys. Now, I had got some shampoo from here. it was not, maybe for my hair it wasn't it, but this right here, Softy. Okay, so I had used this for my daughter here last night to wash it, and you know we have coarse hair, right? And this shampoo, it felt like dry, like after I washed her hair, extremely dry. So I won't purchase this again, but yeah, so this Softy is a no-go for me, okay? But they did have some stuff in here last time that I had got. Oh, what was the name of it? I'm going to show you guys a picture of it once I get home. Okay, so I showed you guys these Forks 3D mink lashes. Okay, these are really, really cute. These bands are really, really thin. Okay, soft and clear, really, really good. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have these. I had showed you guys this the last time just for her individually wrapped flushable cleansing wipes over here with coconut water. Really, really good. $1.25. Then they also have this Arm & Hammer Essentials Kids Hand and Body Wet Wipes. Really, really good. And this must be a big thing here. Okay, the tea tree oil foot spray. Okay, now one of the things I'm going to tell you guys about the tea tree oil, if you have any blemishes or anything like that, like dark spots and stuff like that, tea tree oil, it works for me. Okay, so you could try it and see if, you know, if the tea tree oil will work for you. Okay, but it definitely helps with dark spots. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have these little scrubby scalp brushes right here. Okay, shampoo brush. This is really, really good to massage the scalp, okay, to get the blood flowing. This is really, really good, okay, and it stimulates growth as well. So I had showed you guys these yesterday. This thing is so, so good. The makeup sponge, the Sassy and Chic. Okay, this is $1.25, and right now they have two different colors. They have the dark brown, and then they also have the gray. But the gray, both colors comes with the case. Okay, so this is very, very interesting. So Dollar Tree have this 100% vegan, latex-free, long-lasting, black, everlasting lash glue. Honey, look at Dollar Tree getting fancy on them, okay? And then they also have this bold and bright lipstick. I think I'm going to try this, okay? And I had showed you guys this yesterday, HD Camera Ready. So this is the pressed finishing powder, okay? Provides translucent coverage and blurs pores. So if you are like me, you have like enlarged pores, okay, this would be good. Now, I had showed you guys these cases, the powder puff with case. This is so, so cute. The way they have it with the little container and then a color, very, very cute. So, what I'm here for, okay, so it's two things I'm here for. I'm definitely going to try this, okay, to see how this look. Oh, wow, this is the last one here. And then I'm also going to try... Oh, and I had talked to you guys about the Perfect Brow Mini Kit. I definitely have some of it on my brows today. Okay, I had used this color. This is sort of like the brow wax right here. And then I had put some here. This is really, really good. I also seen this. Now, I'm going to let you guys see my brows. Okay, one second, child. Okay, so I had put some of the gel wax on here. Honey, don't you know that some of the girls, okay, that wear makeup like that, the content creators, other content creators, that get ready with me and stuff like that, some of them, they actually put lash glue on their brow. And I was like, oh, what? Okay, but it does give you, now I'm not telling nobody to do it, okay, but it does give you this this look where as though your brows, they look more precise, right? They look cleaner. It just looks so good. Okay, so honey, use it at your own discernment. Okay, but I haven't tried. Oh no, I did try the lash glue. Okay, I did try the lash glue. But honey, use it at your own discernment, okay? But if you go on YouTube, okay, you will see there's some creators out here that's using the Duo glue for their brows, okay? All right. So getting back to why we here, okay? So we here for this, honey child. Wait, hold on. I done put my darn card down. Wait, child, hold on one second. Okay, so I had showed you guys these nails the last time I was in here, the clear tips. These clear tips is so much better to me. They look so much better than the white tips, okay? They are very cute. Very cute. And I believe is more in this package than an actual white package that Dollar Tree had with the white nails, okay? So, we are here for this, and then let's just get our child. Okay, let's get our concealer. Okay, so they had, dang. Oh, wow. Honey, they only have 2 left. You see, the people done took these. Oh, child. Oh. Okay, family. Wait, hold on. I think we have one. I think we have one right here. This looks kind of dark. All right, we're gonna try. I'm trying to see, child. Light and creamy. All right, we just gonna try this one. I don't know if this is my color. I think it is though. Okay, we gonna try this, and then we also wait. Hold on now. Wait. Okay, because I see some mascara right here, and I'm undecided, okay? All right, they got a few things going on over here. They also have this right here, the makeup correcting gel pen. Gel pen. What they mean by gel pen? On brows infused with, wait, hold on. Makeup mistakes on brows, eyes, and lips. Hold on. Okay, you know what? We gonna try too. We gonna try. No, I ain't coming here for that. I ain't. That ain't nothing but the devil. That ain't nothing but the devil. Okay, so we gonna go with this right here, this bold and bright lipstick, and then we also gonna go in with this full coverage concealer. Let's see how these two go. And I told you guys that Dollar Tree also have some full coverage lip gloss. Now, oh, I was about to say, I know they ain't running out of this that quick. Okay, they have a few here, honey. That's why when you first see the stuff at Dollar Tree, you gotta be quick with it, because if not, when you come back, they may not have it. But don't get in the scarcity mindset, okay? That's not what this is about, okay? Okay, family, so if you guys can see, the concealer is here, okay? And let's just see. Okay, so this side do look darker than this one. Okay, but I like the concealer. I like it. Okay, the concealer look okay to me. What y'all think? Okay, what you think, yeah? Okay, what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so you do see the difference once I come in a light. This side is darker than this side. Okay, you can tell. But the finish, I like the finish. Okay, now I would have preferred a little lighter, but it's good. I like it. Okay, for $1.25, honey, you cannot beat that. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna get my children these 2 cups right here. So Dollar Tree had these little baskets right here. That's $5. These are really cute. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my children these little stuffy things, these plush toys. So I'm gonna get my daughter this one, and then I'll go ahead and get my son. Oh, that one is a little dirty, child. This one. All right, family, so we're gonna go to checkout. Okay, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.